Hello YouTube and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we will be showing you how to set up Apache2 on Ubuntu Server. In Ubuntu Server, type sudo apt-get install Apache2. Now type cd/var/www/html. Once you are in this folder, you can start adding your folders and files here, but you will probably need to do it with sudo since this is a system-protected folder. I've just set up a folder with a file in it for a test. To see if this has worked, type in ifconfig and then go to the IP address in your browser. Once you are here, you should be greeted with the default Apache2 page. To view your files, go to the address bar and type in your files or directories. And there you have it. You should also be able to save your files from this page as well. Thanks for watching.